Good morning, students. Welcome to your Max online class. I hope you're fine. Also, I hope you completed your classwork note and homeworks. That means exercise 1.1, first three questions. So, today we can learn remaining three questions. 4, 5, and 6 questions. So, before start our lesson, we can recall what we learned in the previous class. So mainly we learn the definition of set. What is set? Just remember, set is a well-defined collection of object. Okay, set is a well-defined collection of object. Also we learn the representation of set. There are three basic representations. Using that we are going to do problems today. So we can recall that. First one is descriptive form. So descriptive form means the hint is word. The descriptive form hint is word. So wherever you see the set in words, that is known as descriptive form. Next one is set builder form, otherwise rule form. Set builder form or rule form. So in this form we have to follow some proper rules. That means we should use some standard symbol like X or Y. Otherwise the such that symbol. So this is known as rule form. Next one is roster form. So roster form hints element. Roster form is also known as tabular form. So if the set is denoted by the elements, we can say that is roster form or tabular form. So if you know these three representation, it is easy for you to do the remaining problems. Okay, let's go through the problems. Exercise 1.1, fourth problem. Already first three problem homework. I hope you did that. Now we can continue the fourth problem. Represent the following set in roster form. Okay, this is the question. Four set are there. We can do one by one. Look at. We have to change the following set into roster form. What is roster form? What is the identification of the roster form? Yeah, we have to write with elements. Okay, we have to write with elements. This is the identification of the roster form. So look at the first one. A equal to the set of all natural number less than 20. Okay, A equal to set of all set of all even natural numbers less than 20. This is the given set. It is in the form of, can you guess this form? It is in descriptive form. We have to change in roster form. Okay, for that I write like this. A equal to first part. Roster form means we have to write with elements. So natural numbers less than, even natural numbers less than 20. So natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, etc. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, etc. But we need only even natural numbers. So even number, you know that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Look at, they given that set of all even natural numbers less than 20. They didn't give the less than or equal to 20. If they give less than or equal to 20, we can choose this 20. But there is only less than 20. So we can stop. Okay. So first part over. Simple. Second part, look at B equal to set of all y such that y equal to 1 by 2n. Then 2n belongs to capital N. Then n less than or equal to 5. Okay. This B in the form of rule form, set builder form. Am I right? So we have to change in roster form. That means we have to write with elements. So our n belongs to natural number. Natural number means 1, 2, 3, etc. Look at, our elements will be, second one, B equal to all the elements in the form of 1 by 2n, because y such that y equal to all the y in the form of 1 by 2n, but this n value is vary from less than or equal to 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 we can choose. Listen how I wrote this. Listen. So first we can apply 2 into 1. In this place of n, I apply 1. Also 1 by 2 into 2. 1 by 2 into 3. 1 by 2 into 4. 1 by 2 into 5. That's all, because our n value is less than or equal to 5. So we can choose, we can apply here the values 1 to 5. So I got 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 2 into 3, 1 by 2 into 4, 1 by 2 into 5. Just you can simplify this, you will get the answer. That is equal to set of all 1 by 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8, then 2 into 5, 10. So this is your answer. So we apply the value less than or equal to 5. C part. Third one, C equal to set of all x such that x is a perfect cube. This cube value should be 27 less than x less than 216. So third question in the form of rule form. This is also rule form because they are using this x, okay. All x values are perfect cube numbers. What is cube? What is cube? Did you ever see this 1 cube, 2 cube? The value is 1 into 1 into 1. That is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2 cube value is 8. Okay. So this is known as perfect cube. This is 8 is known as perfect cube number. So like that we have to find out. But our x value should lies between 27 and 216. So we have to find out. Okay. So I'm asking you whether this 27 is a cube number or not. Yes, 27 is a cube number. Actually 27 is a 3 cube. 3 cube equal to 27. So we should not choose this 27. We have to choose next of the 27 up before of 216. Okay. So C I can write as. For that we have to find out C equal to 4 cube value. 4 cube value, how can you find out? 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 64. So this 4 cube value is 64. So it is 64 comma next 5 cube value 5 into 5 into 5, that is equal to 5 5s are 25, then 25 into 5, do it, then again 25, 10. So 125. So next number is 125. So next one, 6 cube. So 6 cube, how can you find out? 6 cube equal to 6 into 6 into 6. That is equal to, so 36 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Then again 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 3 21. So it is 216. Look at. Our perfect square should be lies between 27 and 260, but we should not choose this 27. Also, we should not choose this 260. Why? The reason is we don't have equal to symbol. If you have equal to symbol, we can choose. Okay, so do you need to choose this 216? No need. So this is our answer. Clear? Are you clear now? So it is perfect cube numbers. Last one, D equal to set of all x such that x belongs to Z. Z means set of all integers. So tell me, integers means we will have negative numbers, etc. minus 1, 0, 1, 2, etc. Integers means we have negative numbers, also positive numbers. Okay. But our value lies between minus 5 and 2. Our x value lies between minus 5 and 2. Do you need to choose this 5? No need. Minus 5 no need because equal to symbol is not here. So we can write that. Can you say the answer? D equal to minus 5 no need. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. That's all. We can choose this 2 because look, we have less than or equal to 2. So we choose this 2. Fifth question. Represent the following set in set builder form. So set builder form is also known as rule form. So in rule form, we have to use x, also such that symbol. Okay, this is the hint for you. Set builder form means you can use x and such that symbol. First one, the set of all cricket players in India who cross double century in one day international. So this is the question. It is in words. I mean descriptive form. We have to change in set builder form. Okay. See. So B equal to set of. This is will be denote for set of x such that. So such that you can use this symbol. Otherwise this symbol. Both are same. So what is this x? X is a cricket player in India who scored double century in one day international. Okay. So we can write that X is an Indian player who scored double century in one day international. Okay, so this is we return in set builder form. So x we use, such that we use. Okay, next one, second question. C equal to set of all 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, etc. So as usual we can write. Second one, C equal to set of all x such that. So how can we write our x? Look at the pattern of this. Numerator 1, denominator 2. Numerator 2, denominator 3. Numerator 3, denominator 4. So what is the pattern? Can you understand the pattern? So one number less. Otherwise we can say one number greater than the numerator. See, one number greater than the numerator. One number greater than the numerator. So all the numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, etc. So the reason we can write that x equal to n by n plus 1. That means numerator n means denominator one number greater. So that's the reason we are writing n plus 1. Then we can mention about our n. So what is our n? Look at here, we denote as n. In this place of n we have 1. So 1, 2, 3, etc. So 1, 2, 3, etc. means that is known as natural number. So n belongs to natural numbers. Clear now? So again I am telling this. So see this pattern. This pattern is one number greater than the numerator. This denominator is one number greater than the numerator. Denominator is one number greater than the numerator. So we return the set of all x such that x equal to n. So one number greater. So n plus 1. So it is belongs to natural numbers because it is starting from 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. So third one, look at the set of all Tamil months in a year. So you know the Tamil months. We have to write in set builder form. So we can use X and such that. Set of all Tamil months. So D equal to set of all X such that you can use any of the symbol. I can use this one. X such that X is a in a year. Okay, see, set of all Tamil months in a year. So we return set of all X such that X is a Tamil month in a year. So next one, the set of all odd whole numbers less than 9. Set of all X such that X is a odd whole number less than 9. Okay, so in this question they asked write in set builder form. So we use the X and such that, and according to the question we return this words. Okay, see the sixth problem. Represent the following set in descriptive form. So some sets are given, we have to write that in descriptive form. Descriptive form, whenever you see the descriptive form, you have to remember descriptive form means words. So we have to change the given set in words. Okay, look at the first one. P equal to January, June, July. Look at, you know that January, June, July are months, English months, am I right? But only 3 months are there. What is the similarities here? What is the similarity? Look at January is starting from J, June is starting from J, July is starting from J. Can you find any other English month starting from J? No, only these are the 3 English months starting from J. So we can write that P equal to the set of English months starting from the letter J. Okay, you can write like this. The next one, R equal to set of, Q equal to set of all 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. What is it? Can you guess? Q is a set. It is in roster form because it is written with elements. So it is in roster form. We have to write in descriptive form. How can you write? See, all are prime numbers. 7 is a prime. Then 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Everything is prime. But some prime numbers are missing. Before 7 and after 29. Before these prime numbers are missing. So we can write that Q equal to the set of prime numbers between not 7 and 29. Some students will write the prime numbers between 7 and 29. Actually, the prime numbers between 7 and 29 is 11 to 23. So, if you need this 7 and 29, you have to write the before numbers. What is the before prime number of this 7? 5. Also, what is the after prime number of this 29? 31. So, we can write that the set of prime numbers between 5 and 31. So when you see that the set of prime numbers between 5 and 31, You can write 7, 11, 13, etc. up to 29. Okay. So third one. R equal to set of all x such that x belongs to n. That means natural numbers. X less than 5. So our x is belongs to the set n, natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, etc. Also is less than 5. So we can choose up to 4 because less than 5 means less than or equal to means we can choose 5. But here is only less than 5. So we can stop up to 4. So third one, you can write that R equal to the set of natural numbers less than 5. Okay, the set of natural numbers simply written in words. The set of natural numbers less than 5. Next one, last one. Set of all x such that x is a consonant in English alphabets. Very, very simple. Listen how I write this. Fourth one, s equal to the set of English alphabet. The set of English consonants. That's all. Okay. Look at our answers. Everything in words. The set of all English months starting with letter J. The set of prime numbers between 5 and 31. The set of natural numbers less than 5. Everything in descriptive form. We did that.